Hi guys, and in today's toca boca roleplay, this roleplay is gonna be snowstorm, and guys, so I know this used to be like a Roblox channel, but I'm gonna change it into a toca channel. So yeah, and I am like only using free stuff, So yeah, you can copy this house, but you're gonna have to give credits. Oh my god. And so let me just do a quick house tour if you want to copy, by the way. It's kind of messy, I know guys. I do not like the messiness, to be honest with you. This beam is getting cooked. Let's open here and put it in here. I like most of my things in my book. And yeah, the baby's asleep. And guys, don't say this is chocolate milk. They're not dogs, so they can have chocolate. Okay. Just pretend it's milk, cause I accidentally added water to it, and now I just can't change it back to real milk. Yeah, it's gonna look like that. Yeah, it's just gonna look like that because I accidentally added water to it. So let's just put the bottles up here. Because what is it make? And yeah, if you want to know what's inside these bags, it's kind of absolutely nothing. And this one will not have to copy this. Like, girl, it's so ugly. It's like, my god, my tiger plushie actually happened. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, because it's literally been 2 minutes, so let's get in with the roleplay. Okay. Gee, it's so cold. Yeah, look at it's supposed to be like 30 degrees right now. What's going on? Wait, is it snowing? No way, it's literally summer. There, I know, right? Let me change into some warmer clothes. These are not gonna work. So cold. It's so cold. Okay, that's a little bit better, I guess. Still so cold though. Your kids wear your things. I don't know. Your sleeping bag, like what? No, I don't know what that is. But anyway, let me just change into these. Oh my god. I think. Wait. Let me refresh the weather app. OMG, there's supposed to be a snowstorm today. What? 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 No way! There can't be. It's summer right now. I know. More like winter. Oh my god. Oh. At least it's not that cold yet. It's supposed to be minus. It's right now -5. Stop doing okay. And it's supposed to, like, it's supposed to, oh my gosh. Right now it's -5 degrees. The snow, it's gonna be -20 degrees at the snowstorm. Let's stay like that. But no way, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna get the kids to do whatever they want. Me iPad. Bro. All you wanna do is just play Roblox every single day. That's not true. Yes, it is. Okay, kids, stop fighting. We're not fighting. You wanna fight? Fine, let's fight then. Get him up here. But you can't beat me with that being a snowman. Bro. Ugh. Let's fight. Honey, no, we're not fighting. Let's fight. Haha. Stop! Wait, what is that? Stop it, you two! Ugh. Whatever. Anyway, I'm just gonna lie in bed and just watch some TikToks because there's no storm soon. I think we need a better bed. This bed. Anyway, let me just lie in bed. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's freezing now. Oh my god. Let me wrap up in my blanket. So freezing. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna get the toddlers. I'm just gonna get them to bed. iPad. Okay. Okay. To bed. I don't. Okay. Good night, hon. Mom, I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, honey. It's not on time. It's like 11 in the morning. Oh my god, has the snowstorm started? It's so dark all of a sudden. It's literally like 11 a.m. I think it's the snowstorm, honey. just gonna go on my phone. Wait. Is my brightness down? Anyway, I'm just gonna go on my phone. Wait. Power outage! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Where is it? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I'm so scared. I hate when this happens. Power. Oh my god. I'm sure the power will be back soon. See, it's back. But it's still freezing. Oh no. Are you guys still freezing indoors? Yes, they are. Oh my gosh. This hoodie's just not enough. This one too. Oh my. Okay. I think I'm just gonna try and have a nap through this whole snowstorm. Yeah, let's just have a nap. They all fall asleep. Turn the lights off, guys. And the lights light will go off. Oh my god, the snowstorm is killing me. I can't even sleep. Oh, Mom? Yes, honey? Are you sleeping with your glasses on? Yes, honey. I can't really see anything. Let me get you your glasses. Let me get you your glasses. Anyway, turn the lights off. Oh, why aren't the lights on? I can't even sleep. Okay, why did she have the phone in? Anyway, let's just keep going with the roleplay. Sorry, but yes, honey. I'm really cold. Same here. It's so cold. I can't sleep because of the temperature. Turn this on. Me too. Me too. Me three. You scared. You scared me. You scared. You scared me. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, what do we do now? I guess we could watch some TV. Yeah, we could watch TV if we had a TV. Alright. Yes, we do. The stuff that like blocks the whole TV, but pretend it doesn't because. Oh my god, these are just boring, bro. Nah. Boring. Boring. That's the news. Oh my god, this talks about. Oh my god, this is about the snowstorm. We have. Did I just call it snowstorm? This is about the snowstorm. We have to listen to this. Oh, great. I'm just gonna fall asleep before it gets worse. Same here. Same. Okay. Sleep. You are gonna sleep. Anyways, so like the snowstorm. Did I call it snowstorm again? The snowstorm carries on for some hours, and it's finally then it finally ends, but it is raining. It finally ends, but it's kind of raining, and it's cloudy, and yeah, so they're not freezing again. But bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the roleplay.